Oh.
Then eat it. Joke. Sign the card. Sign the card.
Meron
Sign the
yan.
card.
Did it rain?
Saan ba talaga?
Sarap ng ice cream.
Ay. Sign it also.
Are you?
Autograph po. Yun na yun.
Okay. Wala na akong matuyo.
Okay, tong eat na.
Wala na akong matuyo.
Pusoy.
Tawag dito.
Sige, kan.
Nakalimutan ko na.
Kamaya.
Tawag dito.
Tagalog,
Hindi.
nung Tagalog.
Ayan! Na-memorize mo yung baraha mo.
Nagtagalog. Hindi na po niya kinaya mga kaibigan.
Dinugo na siya.
Ay, yung dalawa kumain na.
Puldatek. Puldatek. Can we stand up?
Okay, place na place.
Okay.
Standing ovation.
Ako lang ganda eksena.
Would you believe that your card is in the top right now?
Right now?
Ano ba tama?
Ah, sige.
Ikaw, ikaw,
Tama na yun.
Saan ko nga translator? Would you believe that your card?
is on the top?
Hindi naman yun eh.
No.
Hindi.
No. I will draw again some magic lines
He's going to draw magic line.
on the back.
On the back.
On the back.
Ay, taga-ulit.
Okay, watch. I'm not drunk. Mas maganda kong surprise. Hindi ko
Ano ba
alam
yan?
kung anong mas magandang ano dun eh. Okay.
Mas maganda ko, sir.
Interviewer, spectator.
Ano po nasabi sa flip top, te? Paano mo comment ang flip top? Bili.
Flip top ba yun?
Flip top yun.
May
Kala ko pick up eh.
Portugal? Narito ako.
Lumiling po kay nagpapawitan.
ba yan? Wait a second.
Ako naman kaya wait a second mo. Yan, dapat may music.
Wait.
Yes, nakakain din. Naalala. Tagal.
Okay na. Okay na.
Nagbabalik.
Ang pag...
Boy! Pick up!
This is my magic mark. Magic mark.
There.
Okay. This. Would you inspect it if it's going to Bora?
Bura-bura.
Ano? It's going to be erased. Okay.
Bura-bura.
Erase.
Fairness.
Nine of spade. Would you believe that the nine of spade in the with the magic line on the back will jump over the deck? 1, 2, 3. Check it. Check it. If
Kaya ba yan? Tagalog ka, bilisan mo.
Tagalogin mo, tagalogin mo lang.
Seryoso mo pag-English, nagulat ako.
Yeah. It's not your card.
Hindi.
No. Watch.
It's yours, not ours.
Focus on the line. Focus on the lines. I will delete it
Delete. Ay, taray.
and pass it to you. Hold it.
Ano
Throw
yun?
it in the middle of the deck. 1.
Lokohan yan eh.
Ano?
In the middle of the deck. 1, 2, 3. Okay? It's in the middle now.
Ah.
It's in the middle now. Watch. Not here.
Oops.
It's in the middle now. Ayaw nga maging... Ano ba nga nung baraha kanina?
Six of clover.
Hindi,
Nine.
kanina.
Nine yung...
9 of
Sila na, sinabi.
spades.
Nine of
9 of spades. Would you believe that this is now your card? Pwede kong ibigay sa inyo to na souvenir. Okay? Gusto mo ba i-customize ko sa iyo to?
Sige. Dali.
Gusto mo ba i-customize ko sa iyo to? Itong barahan to?
Mabili.
Anong gusto mong
Remembrance.
pang-customize? Remembrance. Watch.
Remembrance.
Yung
Ayoko talaga ng mga alog-alog tsaka yung mga tulak-tulak eh.
Gusto ko malakas na sigawan. Nakikita mo ba siya na gumagalaw?
Oo, magalaw.
Gumagalaw.
Ah!
Straight sa kanina. Di ba?
Ah.
Naging curve. Gusto mo i-personalize ko sa'yo?
Oh, sige.
Would you...
Akala ba mo na mag-English?
Would you mind if I do that? Man!
Watch. It's moving, right? It's moving. Watch.
Moving.
Focus on the lines.
Fuck that moving.
Focus on the lines.
Can't see the line.
Ano ba kaya ang section natin dati?
Lily.
Six Lily.
That's
Focus on the lines.
po.
Focus on the lines. Focus on the lines. Six Lily. Ano ba kaya ang card mo?
Ano yun?
Six of clover.
Fuck.
Look.
Ala, ang taray!
Pakaya kumakain ha? Lalabas mo agad mo ito ha?
Wow! This is fucking great, man! It's so amazing, I can't believe... Fuck! Ano yun? Ano yun? Taray!
Siya talaga yun.
Oh.
Ito talaga.
Matama na yung kalokohan.